It symbolizes our joint efforts to ensure that the Ghana Navy is well equipped to safeguard Ghana's waters and to sustain these critical assets. It's a testament to the enduring security cooperation and friendship between our nations.
The boat storage facility and the boats we are taking official custody of today are part of numerous equipment and facilities the United States government, under the trilateral agreement, promised to donate to the Ghana Navy to enhance our special boat squadron capabilities and operational reach.
We are very happy to officially hand over this boat storage facility and the two 38-foot Defender class boats to the Ghana Navy.